Hi guys and welcome to this video. So in this video I'll be talking about tomorrow's market analysis, that is the two best stock what I've selected for tomorrow's intraday trading, and also the today's market how it performed, and also I'll be telling you the Nifty 50 support and resistance level for tomorrow. Okay, so in this video I try to keep everything very simple. Okay, so now let's talk about support and resistance level for Nifty 50 for tomorrow. Okay, so today as you guys can see the Nifty 50 has opened in a bit of a gap down section. It went down, it came up, and again it went down, and at the ending it closed at a positive sign. Okay, so closed at 0.11% up today. So this is how the Nifty has performed. Okay, so hopefully we'll see how the market will open tomorrow. So according to that we can take our trades. Okay, so right now the first support level for the Nifty 50 is around 15,794. This is the first support level, and the second support level is around 15,710. This is the second support level. Okay, and the resistance levels are 15,900. So this is the first resistance level, and the next resistance level is around 15,951. Okay, so this is the next resistance level, and if in case if the market opens gap up, or if the market is able to break all these levels, then we can expect 16,110 to be our resistance level if the market goes up. Okay, so these are the resistance and support level for tomorrow's Nifty 50. So you can use this for your tomorrow's intraday trading as reference. Okay, so guys, please note this video is only for educational purpose. I'm not asking you to trade or invest in these stocks. Okay, I'm just telling you my views which will help you for your trading. Okay, so you can use this support and resistance level for your tomorrow's intraday trading as for the reference. Okay, so guys, yes, now let's talk about the two stocks what I have selected for tomorrow's intraday trading. So the first stock is M&M. So this stock closed at 2.71% up at 1,112 today. This stock had a very good volume and movement today. So as you guys can see here, so it went up and it has come down, and it has taken a support around 1095, and it has closed here about 1111. It has closed somewhere over here. So this is the how the formation is as of now. So let's see how it will perform tomorrow. So for this stock, so the support level is 1095 and 1078. So these are the main support level for tomorrow's M&M stock, and the resistance level are around 1121 and 1138. Okay, so this is a new high as it has made. Okay, so if the market is able to break above this, then the stock can go much higher, or if it can take a support tomorrow, and if it takes a support, even that will be a good entry for tomorrow. Okay, so these are the two resistance and support level which you need to keep in your mind for tomorrow's M&M. And tomorrow in the live market I'll do the intraday trading. So after the trading is complete, I'll upload in my channel, so do subscribe and stay tuned for that. And also, if you guys wish to get the live market update, you can message me now on the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen to get in touch with me, and you will get the live market updates if you join us. Okay, and if you're new to a stock market trading, if you're having losses and want to recover your losses and want to learn how to make consistent profit in intraday trading, you can join my courses now. Okay, so in my course I'll teach you what is exactly needed to make consistent profit. Okay, no complicated things, no indicators, very simple and accurate strategies I'll be teaching you guys if you join us, and it's a one-time payment and you get lifetime support. To provide NSE and MCX trading course, the course prices are very less and reasonably priced. You can check all of the details in my blogspot, that is trading0.blogspot.in. The link is in the description below of this video. So many of the people has got into my trading program, and now they are making money consistently, and even the people who had losses are now starting to recover their losses. You can watch all of these things with the earning proof here with the ledgers. And if you guys are interested and motivated to make consistent profit like this, you can join us today. Okay, so once you join us, you will be getting lifetime support and live market guidance also. I'll be teaching you guys personally how you can make consistent profit in intraday trading. Okay, so if you guys wish to stop your losses from today and want to learn how to make consistent profit like this, you can message me now on the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen to get in touch with me and to take the course and learn how you guys can make consistent profit from today. And also, these are the advantages and benefits what you get once you join us. So once you join us, you will be able to earn consistently in trading. I'll be teaching you 95% accuracy, unique and secret strategies with no indicators, and also I'll be teaching you a very good timing and discipline what is needed. Just by spending only 15 to 30 minutes per day, you can make 10% profit on your capital. Okay, that is, you can earn 1000 rupees per day with the investment of just 10,000 only. And also I'll be guiding you with a very good money management system and a risk trading system. And also, as you guys know, my course prices are very less and reasonably priced. So guys, yes, now the second stock for tomorrow's intraday trading is Axis Bank. Okay, so Axis Bank has closed at 0.82% up at 642.35 today. So the support level for this stock is around 639.65. This is the first support level, and the second support level is around 632. Okay, and the resistance level is around 646 and 651. So these are the levels for tomorrow's Axis Bank. So let's see how it will perform. And once the market opens, based on the candle, we will decide the buy or sell. And guys, don't try to take a trade immediately after the market opens. So just give some time and wait for the stock to settle. And once the trend is confirmed, then only we can take a trade. So today you can see the first candle went up and then the market retraced a bit, and later it gave a breakout of the first candle and it has performed well in a bullish way. Okay, so this is how the stock has performed today. So tomorrow, by seeing how the stock will perform, so we can take a decision. So if it's going to break this level, then it's a buy, or if it's coming down this level, then it's a short sell. Okay, so tomorrow in live market I'll be doing the live trade, and you guys can stay tuned for that. Okay, so do subscribe to my channel and also stay tuned for tomorrow's live intraday trading, what I do. You can go into my channel and watch all the videos. So every day I upload like how much profit I made in intraday trading. So you can watch all of this performance, and you can also see my client screenshot of profit in my blog, which I've given in the link in the description below of this video. And if you guys are motivated to make consistent profit from today, and if you guys will learn the good techniques to make consistent profit from today, you can join us now. You can message me on the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. Have a good day. I'll see you in the next one very soon.